I'm sorry. It was. I'm out of line. I'm out of line. Life sucks. It's not your fault. That's not. I did not mean to. It's just things are getting rocky. Things are just not going the way I thought they would. It's nothing. I'm drowning here. I mean, look, things are going shitty with Liz. God awful. I mean, she's distant. I can't talk with her. I think there's someone else. Don't get me started on work. No, Terry, the dick in accounting. I was 45 seconds late. Seconds. He goes up to Troy and tells him like some shit story about, oh, he's starting shit. Dad got home from prison. And I'm supposed to be happy about that. It's just fucking weird now. I mean, I'm trying to get to know him. I just don't have anything in common with him. I got nothing to eat. I'm money. I have nothing. After apartment and electric, guess how much money I have? I have $4. Fritz, this is $4 we're talking about for 2 weeks of eating.
I blew it. Are you talking to the fridge?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm the weird one.
Oh no! Don't worry about Craig. He's cool. I just got a lot on my mind, and I am sorry. I was out of line, and I did not mean to treat you that way.
Nah, man, it's cool.
Did that fridge just talk?
Yep.
Weird, right?